When I was first thinking about PhD programs, I was completing my master's degree, and I was looking for a PhD program that would fit my interests well. And actually I was very split between a program in IO psychology or a program more in organizational behavior or HR. I actually came and was able to visit at the ILR School with some faculty, and the visit really just sold me completely. I did find that the human resource group, who I met with, just was the greatest match between organizational behavior and IO psychology. I felt like it was exactly where I fit. When I first entered the program, I was very interested in the areas of selection and staffing, which is still an area of my research focus. So I've been able to work very closely with faculty members on research relating to selection and staffing, and also my interest on HR perceptions, employee perceptions of the workplace, and then also my third interest area, which is employee turnover. So I've really been able to sort of focus on each one of those areas, working with faculty, learning how to conduct the research properly, and then they've given me the freedom to branch off on my own into my own area of research. We have a variety of students with just such diverse interests. I think each one of us has something very specific that we're interested in researching, so sort of all together we get just a really diverse, broad array of research foci and just different perspectives. And throughout taking coursework with my peers and also just sort of speaking with them just socially, it really provides you with a rich environment to get a lot of perspectives for your own work. You have members of the organizational behavior department, international comparative labor departments, collective bargaining, all of these different areas of interest that you have access to and that can inform your research. And all of the faculty at the ILR School are extremely approachable. And then beyond that, just the resources of Cornell University in general. We're encouraged to take courses all over the university, and the fact that you have access to those resources is just incredible. When you're here and when you're working with the faculty, you're working on your research, and you know you're at the ILR School at Cornell, but you're just so focused on your program. But then once you go outside of the program, for example, conferences I've attended, or when I was out on the job market looking for jobs, there was a definite interest in the fact that I was attaining a degree from Cornell and from the ILR School in particular. For my own reasons, Cornell was a huge achievement for me to be able to get into this program, and just to work through the 5 years that I've been here has been amazing. But it's easy to forget sort of from the outside. People really do value this degree. I would really strongly encourage anybody who's interested to visit the school and to speak with the faculty members, speak with the students who are here currently, because they can give you some insights into the program that you may not be able to get from reading materials and so forth. And I think everybody's very interested in meeting with prospective students. And I found the warm reception that I received when I visited to be something that was just a huge selling point to me. It made me feel very comfortable to come here. In the fall, I'll be starting a position down at Florida International University. I took an assistant professor position in their College of Business with their Management and International Business Department. So I will be joining the faculty down there in August, so that's exciting.